The East Lookout parking garage is part of a campus expansion for the Lookout Plaza One in Richardson, Texas. After purchasing the property, the new owner gave the campus some renovations and upgrades. It was at that time the need for additional parking was realized. The newly constructed parking garage accommodates over 400 vehicles in the 2-bay wide, 5-level structure. This project includes just over 420 pieces of precast, 180 of which are the double T's that make up 121,000 square feet of suspended parking. The project team worked together for several months to develop a cost-effective precast parking structure to meet the needs of the owner and the City of Richardson's building standards. These design standards include the use of cast-in thin brick, an architectural mix design, reveals, and sandblasting. Beyond the architectural features that were incorporated to meet the city's stringent design guidelines, typical precast products and systems were used on the interior of the garage. One of these systems is the use of field-topped double T's. This provides a uniform and consistent field-installed concrete topping over the T's, which eliminates over 20,000 linear feet of caulking and maintenance of the double T joints. In addition, the field-topped double T system improves the user experience for a smooth ride by eliminating the caulk joint bumps every 12 feet. By including the precaster in the early schematic design process, they were able to provide valuable input to help simplify the overall structure, and the owner was able to better control the schedule and total cost. Thanks to the collaborative efforts of the design team, this precast garage was completed on time and within budget, while still meeting the high aesthetic standards of the community.